It's all good. It didn't do anything. Just fell. Hey, Jacob. 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 Jacob.
What?
Where you go work on the S4? You want to go? Huh? Let's load up the jack and go. Come on, boss. Let's load up the jack. Alright.
Before for Rocky Atkins caught up in the country. Now,
I'm tired as a motherfucker. That's what happens when you drink a lot. You get tired.
What are you talking about? There's a total over there.
Chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust.
Get Jackson under the arrows. Be very careful because the Jackson's going to fall to the right. It fell. It's all good. It's all good. It did anything. It fell. The side of my jack is stuck under your car now. It's stuck under the diff. I'm just gonna oh, Jesus. Now we gotta grab my other.
Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
So we finished up here on the old Audi S4 that this guy right here owns and tools around in, and
Who's around, baby?
but anyways, and we seem to have found that the cam lobes, if I can get a flashlight to turn on, there we go. We have what looks to be good pointed cam lobes. He had a little bit of a chatter noise, which will be in a video I'll show right about now. But right here, if you see, we have flat spots on the cam itself. They seem to be wearing in because of either felled lifters or something, but you can actually see the slag hanging off on the side here where it's worn. Sorry guys, my camera died, so I'm stuck on my phone camera. So there you go. Yeah, so most likely it's going to need a new camshaft. I am really trying to focus for you guys. This is just embarrassing. I'll just zoom out. But anyways, so you see right there, that is just flat spotted. Camshaft lobe should look nice and pointed like that. And the reason these fell is commonly due to these collapsed lifters down here, is what I'm thinking is going on, causing them to eat up the cam lobes. So we'll have to end up, and you can definitely see a difference here in the lifters. But yes, I'm probably gonna be doing quite a bit of work to this car. This is an 01 Audi S4, right?
B5 S4.
B5 S4. What are the mods?
It's a stage 3 car. It's RS6X turbos. It's got 550cc injectors, EV14 Bosch injectors. It's got a Spec 3 clutch in it, rebuilt transmission by JHM with upgraded 1, 2, 3 collars in it. Full 3-inch exhaust all the way back. It's got side mount intercoolers, Evolution Racework side mounts. Those are pretty expensive fucking things. And
How long have you had the car?
I've had the car now for about 3 years. So,
How rare are these getting?
between people parting them out and wrecking them, which a lot of people don't wreck them, but there's more part.
Are you saying you don't wreck them?
I mean, we're not looking.
I know you've been hooning this thing out and ripped the intercooler off a couple weeks ago. Trying to climb a hill or something, right?
We don't talk about
yeah.
that.
Anyways, we'll get this thing back on the road.
It's gonna be better than ever.
Yeah, he's got some plans for a future build, depending on pocketbook money, which that's what it comes down to with cars anymore, is that it becomes an expense in this day and age to either commit or to, you know, do other things. But
It's dirty.
she's dirty, but she's nice. How many miles are on this thing?
162,000.
Yeah, she was a trooper too. She's been across the country.
I've had it across the country, been to Philadelphia. I mean, we're in Illinois, so it's been, maybe 2,000 mile round trip. Been to Chicago, St. Louis, Indiana.
Yeah.
I've done
You've stolen
thousands of poles in it, so.
Stolen plenty of bitches in it too.
I beat plenty of people besides any 5.0 Mustangs. So any 5.0 Mustang guys watching this, I'm not racing.
But you're ready for that mile shootout though.
Yeah, let's do a half mile, full mile, I don't care. Top of the car, let's go.
Roll racing machine here. Yeah, we'll be getting this back on the road here, guys, and seeing what we can figure out.
That intake's ugly, so ignore that. I was toying around with it and just.
This is a failed attempt to paint right here, and I don't know what kind of paint used on this plastic, but
I don't know. Yeah,
it really failed. So yeah,
we're not talking about that.
Yeah, he'll soon to be having his own Instagram and YouTube feed, but he'll be a part of the channel. He's got a channel called Garrett Exotics. Go check it out. I'll post it up here.
I actually do.
Somewhere.
In case you haven't noticed by my hoodie, I actually do supercars and exotics.
Yeah.
So partially why I bought an Audi S4 B5 with stage 3. And
you got an Instagram too, so the ladies can holler?
Yes, I do. It's Jacob_Garrett, Garecht. So Jacob_Garrett. Add me. I've got lots of car pictures posted.
So go check him out. And this is going to be my other sidekick right here. We got we call him Balls. His name's Mike. He's not really a car guy. He just kind of he just likes to do oil, lube, and tires and buy random stuff. So yeah, we'll keep you guys posted. Anyways, it's gonna be enough on tonight. This is what we found. So if anybody has any comments or lead ups to what we can do, any ideas on why you think this happened, leave a comment below and let us know. We're gonna get out of here. We got some beer to drink and not enough time for this crap, and people got work tomorrow. Him and him, I don't. I'm off till Wednesday, so yeah. What is going on, guys? It's your boy HOMESLICEPICKLEDICE here to introduce you to the channel. So I know this is kind of a weird video, you know, with us kind of half jacking a car up, dropping it, and doing stuff the way we usually do, which is half-assed. But kind of give you guys a iteration into the channel, what it's about. It's going to be about, you know, mainly cars, as I'm constantly working and buying car parts and doing stuff. As you can see here, I'm hoarding quite a bit of crap. It's not crap, another man's trash, another man's treasure thing, you know what I mean? But anyways, yeah, so basically this channel is going to be related to cars mostly, car meets, cruises, anything I can get out and do. I work a lot, so got to see how that goes. But yes, in this previous video you just watched, it's my buddy's Audi S4. It is a 2001 stage 3. Recently just started ticking. I diagnosed her right off the bat. Had a guy say maybe it was the chains. I kind of leaned towards the camshaft because it kind of sounded more like something valve train. So I end up being right sometimes. I mean, that's just my luck. I do have car. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2. Yeah, I have 5. 4, 5. Yeah, 5 cars. I can't even keep track of myself. Sorry for the shaky camera. I bought this thing off eBay. It's $165. It's made in China. Yeah, basically, you're going to see a lot of hand tooling and, you know, kind of shade tree shit. Don't have a garage right now. It's in the works. 3 years from now, I'll have a garage. So, till then, you might see it come up. But, we'll see. Subscribe, comment, anything on this video that you have pointers on this Audi. We would definitely like to get that thing back up on the road. It is a monster. Went to a couple half-mile shootouts, but I think one. So not a couple. We went to one, and it did pretty good. Yeah. He's had no luck against 5.0s though. I don't know why. 5.0s really just don't do it for him, I guess. Other than that, stay tuned for some ratchet action. Like, subscribe, comment. At this moment, this is video 1 of hopefully many. HOMESLICE out.